Walang hinihiling sa tulong ng may kapal ay matutupad. Pangarap kong bituin, maaabot ko rin. Maaabot ko rin.
Yes! Napaka-exciting Love to Love Season 12! Alright, the whole cast of Love to Love. Welcome guys to SOP Gigsters. We have Lovey, Kogi, Bianca, and everyone here.
Yes.
Guys, invite everyone to watch Love to Love.
Manood kayo ng Love to Love Season 12, the grand finale. It's Just Got Lucky. It's starting on September 3. Manood kayong lahat. Maganda ito.
Fine po, ito po yung grand finale ng
Yes.
Love to Love. At magiging musical siya.
Musical
kaya,
ito.
abangan nyo.
Okay.
Ibang theme naman yan, ano?
At saka magical.
Yes, sobrang
Wow.
ganda nito. Yeah.
Musical. Magiging musical na siya.
Musical na to. It's just like isang story na lang siya.
Yeah, so 1 hour lang siya.
Yeah.
There are scenes that the cast will just break into song and dance.
Yes. Yes.
Alright,
sobrang ganda.
abangan natin yan. Finale season ng Love to Love. Alright, may pagka-musical at isang story na lang napaka-exciting, and it's the grand finale of Love to Love. Napaka-exciting. Thank you, Lovey, Kogi,
Thank you so
Bianca,
much.
Alisa, everyone here. Thank you. Alright, kakaibang musical number when SOP Gigsters return.